This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Chock the front wheels. Slacken the rear road wheel bolts. Then jack up the rear of the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Remove the rear wheels. Spray the shock absorber lower mounting nut with WD-40 or similar. Unscrew the lower mounting nut and remove the bolt. Unscrew the upper mounting bolt and withdraw the shock absorber. Loosely fit the new shock absorber by screwing in the upper bolt by hand. Do the same with the lower bolt. Fit the rear wheel, tightening the bolt. Fit the wheel and lower the van to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts further with a torque wrench to 120 Newton meters or 89 pounds per foot. Tighten the lower bolt with a torque wrench to 75 Newton meters or 55 pounds per foot. Tighten the upper bolt with a torque wrench to 100 Newton meters or 74 pounds per foot.